Hi guys, did you know that you can own a house with zero amount as long as you have a piece of land? So today's vlog is all about how you can get lenders who will build a house for you as long as you have a piece of land on your name or in your name and you don't have that amount to maybe build a house. So I'll speak about two people who will build a house for you, what they do, the services they'll give you in through until you finish the house and how you're going to repay. So my name is Doreen. In case you're new here, most welcome. And in case you have been a subscriber to me, karibu tena. So in case you have been looking for somewhere you can build a house or those companies that will build a house for you with zero deposit, then just drag that seat, sit down and watch the video till the end. Make sure you're watching this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed, consider giving this channel a subscribe, because the next video I'll do, YouTube will always recommend you and they'll send you to watch the video direct to my channel. Also, don't forget to give this video a like, because YouTube will recommend it to someone who needs to watch such a video, right? So let's jump into today's topic. I'll give you two financing companies that will finance you, build a house for you guys, and these houses they'll start building the houses for you with zero deposit, right? So what are these building houses companies? So one of them is Pacific Project Limited. I'm going to describe to you what they do. In case you see me looking down, as always, I have a friend with me, which is my diary, guys, and I'll always discuss these things in details because I've researched, right? So what does Pacific Project Limited does? So this is a company that will build a house for you and you pay later. What will they look for? So as long as you have a piece of land and you don't have the means maybe to start building and you have been looking forward, maybe you have a good job, yes, but guys, building comes with a lot of money in it. Like, you need to be comfortably financially, because it will require most of your time, and not mostly about time, but it will require most of your pocket wise, right? So these guys will just come. If you approach them, they'll build, they'll measure what you need, they'll know where they're going to build for you, and they're going to do it for you. Yeah, so what is the package that they have, guys? They have a house construction, labor and materials for you for free. They'll do the house construction, labor and material for you. They'll complete the work plan. Definitely, they're going to give you different plan. So you're going to choose among them which one goes well with you. Then they're going to also look at the building permit and documentation. Definitely, you guys know that building requires a lot of documents, definitely the permits and all that. So these guys are going to check that for you and make sure that you're comfortable before they even start it, right? So they're also going to loan and assist you in the city service construction. I really don't know much about the city construction and stuff, but I definitely know that these guys are going to check that properly for you, so you don't have to worry, guys, right? They also have a service called the license and architecture and engineering. Definitely, you guys know that in order for you to build, you need an architecture. For those people who don't know who an architecture is someone who will give you a plan of the building. If you want a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, they'll always come around, sell their projects to you, and you're going to check them and see if you're comfortable with them, right? So that is the service number 5 they're going to offer to you guys. If you're watching me till now and you haven't subscribed, kindly give this channel a subscribe, because definitely you're going to gain a lot. I've been talking so much about loan apps where you can get loans in 5 minutes, where you can get private lenders and stuff. So today this is new. If you're there, you've been looking forward to building and you don't have the capability, you don't have that material wise, or you're just there, you don't know where to start, you can look for these companies, guys. They're going to do amazing work, because they'll sponsor you with the construction until the house is complete, and then you can start paying for that loan, right? So project number 5, the service number 5 that they're going to offer to you as a package is the project management and supervision. So definitely you need workers, So those workers, they'll come with this as a package. So they'll provide workers. They're going to supervise the project until the end, right? Because this is like, let's say for example, you're building a house for yourself, right? So these things comes as in a package as you're building. So they are going to offer it to you all, right? They'll offer the supervisor who will supervise those people who are going to to construct the house and stuff. So the last package they're going to offer is the 6 month service warrant, right? So if your building is okay and you have shifted in, and maybe as you enter the house, you'll see some, you'll need to look at it in details and see where they went wrong, maybe the colors, maybe if you have an upstairs, maybe the stairs are not looking what you wanted. You can always contact them and they're going to change. I really don't know much about construction. This is something also new to me, and I decided to share with you guys. So make sure you're doing your research well before you jump into it. Yeah, right. So what is their promo details? I've talked about the packages they're offering, the house construction, this which is labor and materials, complete working plan, building permit and documentation. They're going to offer that to you. Loan and city service assistant. You see that where when you see a house that is in progress being constructed, and you see there is a warning or a project stuff and stuff, they're going to provide that for you. I really don't know how people get that, but I'm sure that it's a process which they're going to cater for, right? So they're also going to offer you the loan and city service assistance, service of the licensed architects and engineers, the project management and supervision. And the last thing, as I've talked about, is 6 months service warrant. So let's jump into their promo details. So what are they promoting? So first of all, you're going to pay 200K commitment fee, which is deductible to total contract service, Definitely, this is something that you're going to pay as a commitment fee, but it's going to be deducted in the contract, right? It's not like they want you to pay the 200 before they start building for you. So definitely they are going to deduct that, and you're going to commit yourself with 200K. I think that's something like their profit, or what they need, like to be sure that you're going to be repaying them in time, right? Or you just have to pay this certain amount so that they'll be sure. If you're not going to pay, at least they have something in return to what they have used, because these people are using their material, they're using their energy, they're using their money, they're using their everything to make sure that you're going to live comfortably and you're going to repay these loans back in time, and with no limit, like those people who push you to pay once they have finished building the house for you, right? So the second thing in their promo details is there is no down payment. The good thing about them is there is no down payment as long as you have this land in your name and you want to build a house, and maybe you don't have the capability at the moment, but you're capable of repaying the loan slowly as their term states. Then they are going to offer you the service. So there is no down payment that you're supposed to pay before they build this house for you. So there is also a monthly payment starts upon house turnover. Exactly. So when you agree with their terms, they'll come and build the house as the agreed period of time. So after they have built this house for you and the turnover is okay, that's when you start repaying the loan. Isn't that amazing? So if you're out there, you have been watching me, I talk about loans every time, and maybe in your mind you want to build a house and you really don't know where to start for, kindly just go and check for Pacific Project Limited Housing Finance, and they're going to sort you. Make sure you're calling them and you'll discuss with them more, right? So the third thing which is in their promo detail is the monthly payment starts upon turnover. I've talked about that. So there is a free initial of evaluation if you are qualified in the promo, right? So there is free initial evaluation. So they're going to evaluate how you're going to repay. Definitely there must be an evaluation of everything, because definitely if you're qualified and they want to start building for you, they'll have to check the capability to prove the documents that you have provided. If you're working and this is the monthly salary that you get, and this is where you're going to be paying them back their money, they have to prove that. They also have to prove that the land they're going to build on is yours. Definitely they'll need to prove the title deed is yours. They need to prove that you have a source of income. Either you have a company, either you're self-employed, either you are employed maybe by anyone, right? So they have to prove these details before they even start and come to build to you. So the design plus the building plus the turnover is when you're going to pay. So it starts with the design. They'll offer you the designs, so you'll choose. They'll also start building after you have chosen. Then the turnover. The turnover is the complete structure of the complete building, and that's when you'll start to repay. Guys, you have been watching me till now. It means that you have been enjoying this video, and it really means a lot to me for you to stay there and watch this video till now. Kindly just consider giving this video a like, because it will help me, it will help YouTube to push the video out there, and someone who maybe is interested in such vlog will be or will gain a lot on this video, right? So how can you get these people? Definitely they have they have a number, which is 0722 111 816. 0722 111 816. Another number, if you can't get them on that number, is 0726 176 000. 0726 176 000. And also, if you want to be more official, you can always send them an email at info@pacificproject.co.ke. So if you have a pen and paper, make sure you're writing these details down, because they're going to really help you out, right? So it's info@pacificproject.co.ke. Make sure you're going to check on them, and make sure if you have a project in mind, you can always approach them any day, anytime, and these guys will come to your aid. You're there out and you really don't know where to start building. You have that piece of land, because definitely these guys are not going to provide a land for you. The only service they're going to offer to you is building, right? So their motto is the design plus the building plus the turnover, and that's when you start repaying for their loans. So if you have been watching me till now, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we always talk about finance. We always talk about business ideas that will bring you money, the best places to invest your money. We also talk about real estate and anything that revolves money. So thank you, guys. Until the next vlogs, make sure you're going to research and do more on Pacific Project Limited, and another company that does the same thing is Housing Finance Loan. So those two financing companies will help you anytime you need to build a house. So ciao, and let's see you